Hello everyone. I welcome you for the lecture series videos of control functions of hydraulic system. Under the control functions, we are discussing about the direction control valve. So this lecture series video is a part of the direction control valve. So the part 4 we are going to discuss. In the previous video, we have discussed the two constructions of the direction control valve. The remaining constructions we get to discuss in this video. So let us have a discussion of the control functions of the valve, the construction and operations of the direction control valve. So in the previous video, we have discussed about the check valves. The check valve, we have a configuration that is incline check valve and right angle check valve. And we know that the check valve will allow the fluid only one direction. The reverse flow cannot be possible. So that is the basic function of the check valve. This is the in this uh, presentation I have depicted the sectional view of the restriction check valve. So this is the typical check valve, and this is a special type of check valve. With this valve, reverse flow can be also possible, but there is a restriction in the reverse flow. Reverse flow is not completely open. Only restriction in the check valve, only small amount of fluid can be flow in the reverse direction. So let us have a construction. We have a valve body. In that body, we have inlet and outlet port, which are right angles to each other. As usual, as that of the previous case, inside the valve body, there is the gate provided with the orifice and the small opening, and it is kept against the spring pressure. So the spring will hold the valve in a closed position. When we are allowing the fluid in the valve, when the fluid pressure of the fluid exceeds the spring pressure, the gate will open. That is, it will move from left hand side to right hand side, so which allows the flow in from input to output. When the flow pressure of the oil reduces, the spring pressure exceeds, the gate is completely closed. In that time, reverse flow is also possible. The flow will be happen via the small orifice. So since the flow is happen only in the small orifice inside the gate, there is a restriction in the flow. So uh, the flow is not completely, there is a restriction in the flow, and this can be done. Reverse flow is also can be done. And this valve is called a pilot operated open check valve. So here normal flow can be possible and reverse flow cannot be possible, and it is possible we apply the pilot pressure. So let us have construction. And this is a valve body, and we have a free flow and blocked flow ports in the right angles to each other. Inside the valve body, there is a ball which is able to slide from left hand side to right hand side, and the spring is kept against the spring pressure, and this ball is connected with the piston. And, the piston we have connected to the pilot port. Under normal flow, at the bottom side, when you apply the pressurized fluid, which is able to push the ball, which is kept against the spring pressure. The oil is the pressure is above the spring pressure. The ball will slide from left hand side to right hand side. The normal flow will be possible. When the oil pressure reduces, the spring pressure will be high, and because of the high pressure, the ball will be heated to its original position. That is, which is moving from right hand side to left hand side. So when you want a reverse flow, you have to apply the pilot pressure the left hand side of the valve. When you apply the pilot pressure, the piston moves the ball, and the reverse flow can be possible in that case. So when you apply the pilot pressure, the reverse flow can be possible. And this is the valve. This is pilot pressure block flow through the valve. Under this normal operating condition, free flow will be happen when you apply the pilot pressure, which will block the free flow. And this valve reverse flow cannot be possible. So here we have a pilot force on the right hand side. When you apply the pilot pressure, uh, the normal flow is cannot be possible, and the reverse flow is also not possible. When you remove the pilot pressure, uh, normal flow will be possible. And these are all the references. Fluid Power by Anthony Esposito, published by Pearson, New Delhi, in the year 2003. And the second reference, Fluid Mechanics and Hydraulic Machines by R.K. Bansal, published by Lakshmi Publications, New Delhi, in the year 2021. So in this video, we have discussed about few configurations of the check valve, pilot operated check valve and the restricted flow check valve. In the upcoming video, we will discuss the remaining types of directional control valve. So I hope this video is useful for you. Thank you for watching this video.